Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock on Bluesky. All right. Start by opening up your Bluesky account. It could be on your phone or the web version. Now, once done, just go head over to settings. In the settings section, go head over to moderation. Click on it. As you can see here under moderation tools, you'll be able to see blocked accounts. Just click on it. And in here will be the list of the account that you've blocked. All right. Now to unblock them, just click on one. For example, this one right here. As you can see, you will be able to see an unblock button. Just go ahead and click or tap on it if you're using a mobile device. Once done, there will be a prompt. If you wish to unblock them, just go ahead and click on unblock. All right. Do that to the other blocked account as well. Right here, unblock. And unfortunately, there's no mass unblock button. You will have to do it one by one. All right. That's basically how you unblock someone on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.